Welcome everyone. Let's talk about Victoria Rodriguez. Victoria is a Canadian plus size model, content creator and social media influencer. She was born on 6 August 1995 in Montreal, Canada and is of multi-ethnic background. She is currently 30 years old and her astrological sign is Leo. Victoria standing at 170 cm tall and her weight about 86 kg. She embraces her natural curves with confidence. Her birth size 117 cm, waist size 110 cm and her hip size 135 cm. She has light brown hair and striking green eyes, which add to her unique look as a model. Victoria's career began through social media, where she started sharing content about fashion, beauty, travel, and self-love. She quickly gained attention for her positive message about body confidence and self-acceptance. Many people admire her for breaking stereotypes in the fashion industry and showing that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. Thanks to her growing popularity, Victoria has worked with several brands specializing in plus-size clothing. Her collaboration highlights her influence in the fashion world and her role as a trusted voice for curvy women. She uses her platforms not only to model stylish outfits but also to encourage her followers to embrace who they are. Today, Victoria Rodriguez is more than just a model. She is a role model. Her journey proves that self-confidence, dedication and a love for one's own body can open doors and inspire others. Through her work, she has become a voice of positivity for many people around the world. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share.